this is gonna be a quick and simple style because you know we love a quick and simple style. Also, I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new journey that I'm on. I'll go into more detail in another video if you guys want it, but I started veiling in public for spiritual reasons. So I'm gonna also show you guys how I incorporate certain scarves in some of my styles. Probably all of them. I'm gonna try to do it with all of them because of course I have to wear them out. But yeah, y'all get the full effect on camera, but if you see me in person, best believe that crown chakra is gonna be covered. So let's get into it. Okay, so first and foremost, I need to part my hair in half. I used to be real anal with parts, but now it's just like, get it done, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's see. I'ma still look at it. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. But okay, so now let's get into it. Y'all know I want me some hangy dangy pieces, so I'm not gonna use, no, I want to use a comb. So, I like her. Let me twist her out the way. I probably should have did my edges first, but yeah. Okay, twist her out the way. And then I want a hangy dangy piece from the top. Do we like her? We like her, okay. Hangy dangy piece from the top. Definitely going to moisturize these pieces. And then put this back. Y'all, I told y'all this is gonna be a quick and simple. Quick and simple. And do the same thing for this side. I'm gonna just show y'all because, like I said, this is gonna be a quick video. So I want y'all to get as much of me on camera as possible. That's definitely too much hair, girl. Okay. I do it. You can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your into it. I can do it, put your into it. Put your into it. Put your into it. Okay. Of course, they're not gonna be even because, yeah. But I feel like that's good. Twist it out the way. I can do it, put your into it. You can do it, put your into it. I can do it, put your into it. Put your into it. Put your into it. Okay. I like those. And then now to get this side piece going. Okay. Yeah, I think that's comparable. I think that's comparable. Okay, twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Okay. Yeah, these are good. And these are good. Now, I'm about to get my edges together. We are done. So now I'm about to section these off because if they get in the way of me doing my this and that, I'm gonna get upset. And when I get upset while I'm doing my hair, it's just like not nice. I'm so mean to myself when I'm doing my hair. So to prevent myself from forgetting that be nice to yourself, I'm gonna just put them away. So they're away. Now we're about to start on both sections. Let's see. I want some water. I'm gonna refresh my hair because this ain't really doing what I need to do. So hold on a second. This isn't even Mayo's anymore. It's like this much of Mayo. Is it me or Mayo? It's whatever this is this much of that and my Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Moisture cream. Yeah, just put some of that on there, and water. Water's in it, just to refresh my hair, because I don't want to be, you know, braiding and doing stuff and it's not fresh. But yeah, about to do that and we'll be back. Okay, we are done. Since this is a braided hairstyle, I'm not going to be using Eco Styler because I don't want to add too much on my hair than I need, you know? So I'm going to just brush it down. But of course, let me make this clear, especially for people who are new. What I do is more so for inspo. Yes, I do have a couple of things that I feel are, I guess, knowledge points, but I don't want you guys to take what I say and like run with it. When it comes to natural hair, you have to really do your research. This is somewhat research, but also trial and error. Everything that works for me is not going to work for you. So keep that in mind, okay? And don't just go out and buy a product because a YouTuber said, oh, this works wonders. Don't just, you know, spend extra money or do extra things that you really don't feel are necessary just because somebody else said it. However, if you have the funds and you can, you know, try out a little product here and there, do that. Because if you don't have what you need at this moment that works for you, then you need to find something that works. And of course, suggestions are, you know, for that. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? So don't be taking suggestions out here and your hair is flourishing, okay? Unless it's just about how to, you know, tighten up a hairstyle. But okay, so y'all see my braid. I'm gonna kind of braid a little bit. I've been wanting enough for the bun. This is literally one of my favorite hairstyles. Look, I got hair. I got hair for sale. I got hair for sale. But okay, so we about to do this side. And we're done, y'all. Easy. Oh, well, we're not done. I didn't even do the bangs. I'm so used to my bangs being twisted that I didn't even think about the fact that, like, they're not done. Okay. So braid, 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 braid. And of course, you don't have to braid. If you don't know how to braid or you don't feel like braiding, definitely substitute these braids for either something slicked back, a twist, anything of that nature. They all work. Just whatever works for you. Remember, everything that I do is interchangeable and nothing I do is just law, you know? Even if I feel like it's law. Cause a lot of stuff, I'm not even gonna lie, a lot of stuff I'll be like, yeah, no, this is literally factual. But that doesn't mean that it's factual for you, you know? So just, you know, don't let these people make you think that, like, you know, what you got going on isn't what it is, you know? I don't even know if that makes sense. But like, yeah, like, if you feel like you're doing your hair properly, keep doing it. If the results show, then more than likely you are. Or go get professional. Or go get a professional take on it. Like, get a constellation on your hair. Constellation. Go get your hair checked out by somebody that is licensed in this stuff. And really get a good understanding of what you're trying to do. Okay, now how we gonna do this, y'all? I think I wanna. Okay. Ooh, why did that stick like that? Ew. I feel cute. And we are done. Well, we're not done. We're done with this. But now I'm about to show you guys how I would veil it. So hold on. Okay, now so for head wrap and veiling purposes, have mine. It's already saged and charged. I'm going to fold it so it's not covering so much of my hair, just the top. A little more. Gotta get that crown chakra. Gotta get that crown chakra covered. Okay, so this is how much I'm covering. Well, I'm having out. And I get behind my ears, behind the puffs. And I tie it twice. And that is it for my veiling. Oh, well, I ain't even cover it. Yeah, top of my head is covered and I'm good. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we have 30 days of natural hair. Love you guys.